Thank you for being here today. Really, this means a lot. My name is Criselda, and I am the Executive Director of the Nampa Family Justice Center, and it's with great pride and a lot of, I just feel great to be, in the steering wheel of this awesome center. We have served many, many victims. We have been here to provide the services. We do a lot of trainings and a lot of community speaking engagements, you name it, because we really want to know what our community needs. We want to know that our advocates that are here are providing the best services possible to our victims. So as City Councilman said, we have been operating for 10 years, and we started in November of 2005, and this all began with just an idea, and it really was just an idea, and seeing somebody else do it, that our city, our partners, and I'll let Angela kind of talk about that later, brought this idea and made it a reality. And because of that, we have been able to partner with so many individuals, agencies here in the community that have made us successful. In 2009, we expanded services to be inclusive of children. So we've always provided services for children, but we became a child advocacy center in 2009. And since we've opened those doors, our numbers continue to rise, and we continue to provide a lot more services. Then in 2011, we received another grant funding because we knew and we saw that there were a population that we just weren't targeting and really being inclusive of, and that's our elder population. So in 2011, with some grant funding, we were able to bring those services and kind of bring all of the services here under one roof to be inclusive of children up to the elders. So when we started, we have this amazing room that we have back here in the corner, and it's a medical exam room. And when we started the center in 2005, we wanted to be inclusive of sexual assault exams, but because of all of the red tape per se that our medical arenas have, we haven't been able to open up our sexual assault exam room and provide that service. But we got around that, and we are now, with the help of Andy, who is here leading the program, we received funding, and we are going to be providing sexual assault exams to the community and at the hospital. So we're running the program, but the hospitals are going to be doing all of the taking of the victims, and with that, we really have become an all-inclusive agency. And I'm really proud to say that I'm happy to be here, and I'm happy to have all of the partnering agencies. In those years, we've served just about 25,000 victims. And if you look at the balloons here, the blue ones, these blue ones, each one balloon stands for 1,000 children. So one balloon is 1,000 children. You see 10 balloons, we've almost served 10,000 kids. The purple balloons signify, again, 1,000 per adult, and we have 15 purple balloons. So, when we see these balloons, just think, it's a small cluster, but that cluster holds 15,000 names. We have balloons around, these flowers sitting here in the front, and then we have another vase sitting outside in the hallway. And those balloons I keep saying balloons because I see the balloons, I'm sorry. Those flowers stand for the elder abuse population, and we have little cards in the vases that kind of tell you a little bit of what the flowers stand for. And I think, and where is Linda? Linda, she is running our elder program. Each of the flowers represent 20 adults, elder victims that we serve every month. So since we've started the program, it's been a continual growth and a continual progress with everything that we do. And you heard as City Councilman David Bills was talking about how much funds that we have received from the federal government. For all of you that are here that have seen and have worked with grants and funding, people fund you and they give you grant dollars and they trust you with their money. So when we say, and I say, we've received almost $2.5 million, you know, we work hard to make sure that we're using these funds appropriately, and therefore, you know, we continue to receive grants. So it's really telling of how the city works and how this agency works in requesting and administering the funds. Now, that's just federal grant dollars that are provided by the federal government from the Office of Violence Against Women. That number does not include what the city of Nampa has given us and has provided us. This building, the space that we sit in, you know, the chairs that you're on, you name it, the power that is in this room, the electricity, everything, the city gives us that. So it would be another $2.5 million, maybe even $3 million that the city has provided us in the 10 years. And we're thankful, and without the city, we couldn't do it. I mean, we just couldn't. And our city needs us. Our county needs us, because we not only serve our city, we serve our county. Anybody that needs help, we give them services. We won't turn anybody away.
But without good leadership and good direction,
thank you.
The city wouldn't be served as well as it has been.
Thank you. Appreciate that.